How to see who sent you anonymous messages on NGL app. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn who sent us anonymous messages. We can know about the sender on the NGL app. So without any delay, let's begin with the video and make sure to watch this video till the end to understand the process. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's begin. First of all, open the NGL application on your device, and after opening up, you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So here, you will just log in using your Instagram or any other application where you want to send the NGL link to. After that, you just need to copy your link and share a link on your story. After sharing it on your story, you'll be able to see your inbox here, and you'll be able to see all of the messages that you have received. You can see this message right here, and you can see the message I have received, and let's say you want to know who sent this message. So in order to know that, you may just simply tap on who sent this, and you can see this unlock, which means you need to upgrade to the pro version of the app in order to see the sender info. So you may just unlock, go on with the process of payment, and unlock it with upgrading to the NGL Pro version. You can see this offer right now going, that is 0.99 per week, which is really affordable. If you want to purchase the Pro version, you may just go on with the process of payment and upgrade to the NGL Pro. After that, you may know who sent you that message. Otherwise, you may just simply hit on reply and go to Instagram. After that, share your story saying who is this, and if that sender is honest enough, that sender may try to stay in contact with you and reply to your message saying that person is this. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to know who sent you anonymous messages on NGL very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.